Imagine starting your morning with a smile. You want to make something special for your loved ones. But life is busy and time slips away. You crave healthy, delicious smoothies every day. But chopping, blending, cleaning, it all feels overwhelming. What if making smoothies could be effortless? Meet the Ninja Smoothie IQ Blender. It brings joy and ease to your kitchen. The powerful 1400-watt motor crushes ice in seconds. No more chunky bits, just silky smooth blends. Its total crushing blades handle even the toughest ingredients. Frozen fruits, nuts, leafy greens. Nothing stands in its way. The large 2.1L BPA-free jug serves the whole family. Make enough for everyone without extra effort. Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out. Just press a button for perfect, consistent results. Every smoothie, every time, just the way you love it. Choose from low, high, or pulse for full control. Customize every blend to suit your taste. Busy mornings become moments of connection. Share nutritious drinks with your kids before school. Fuel your partner's day with a protein-packed smoothie. Or treat yourself to a refreshing frozen drink at night. No more waiting in line at the cafe. No more expensive takeout smoothies. You create magic right at home. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The jug, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning, more time with family. The Ninja Smoothie IQ fits every lifestyle. For health enthusiasts, it unlocks daily nutrition. For families, it brings everyone together. For busy professionals, it saves precious minutes. It's more than just a blender. It's your partner in creating healthy habits. It's the start of every happy morning. It's the reason your kids ask for seconds. It's the secret behind your glowing energy. Imagine laughter around the breakfast table. Imagine the pride of serving homemade goodness. Imagine feeling your best every single day. The Ninja Smoothie IQ makes it all possible. Its sleek black design looks stunning in any kitchen. Strong, reliable, and built for everyday use. From busy mornings to weekend gatherings. From quick snacks to family celebrations. It's always ready to help you shine. No more stress about what to make. No more worrying about nutrition. Just pure, simple joy in every sip. Give your loved ones the gift of health. Give yourself the power to create every day. Let the Ninja Smoothie IQ inspire your kitchen. Let it turn ordinary moments into memories. Let it bring smiles to your family's faces. Because every family deserves delicious, nutritious drinks. Because you deserve convenience and peace of mind. Because healthy living should be easy and joyful. With Ninja, it truly is. Feel the difference in every blend. Taste the freshness in every glass. See the happiness in every smile. This is more than a blender, it's a lifestyle. It's the heart of your healthy home. It's the start of something wonderful. Ready to make every day extraordinary. Bring home the Ninja Smoothie IQ Blender today. Experience the joy of effortless blending. Share healthy, delicious moments with those you love. Ninja Smoothie IQ, blending happiness one sip at a time. Order now and transform your kitchen forever.